All right, how's everybody doing tonight? Hope everybody's doing well. So here's a couple people reached out to me today. Thank you guys very much. We're going to make it real simple here. So some people had a couple questions, and then at the end I'm going to load up an assignment for you guys. It's going to be more of the same, but I'm going to go over like one or two questions, or I'll go over one question because it's just going to be more of the same assignment that'll just give you guys a little bit of more practice on it. This is important. This is going to be a big one on your guys' SAT and ACT one. So a couple people reached out. They said, hey, can we go over number 8 and number 16? And I'm like, yeah, that's fine. So here we go. And I'm going to keep this nice and simple for you guys tonight. So when we see this, what we're doing is we want to work inside out. So this is number 8 from the night before. We want to work inside out. So what we're going to do, and the easiest way that I like to look at this and go about it, is we're going to work that f of 2 first. Okay? So the g is just hanging out right now. Okay, so that g function is just hanging out. I'm going to take care of the inside first, though. And this is going to be 2n squared plus 5. I'm looking at it on both my screen and the paper at the same time. Okay, but let's remember that 2 is going to go in place of n right now. So, because that was part of the function. So let's take care of that right now, too. g 2 times 2 squared plus 5, okay? Now, some of you guys, we were having a problem with this before I left. We got to remember that exponent. What does the exponent go to? Quentin, go ahead, Quentin. That's right, Quentin. Yes, the parenthesis. All right. So here we go. That 2 on the exponent is just going to go to the parenthesis, like Quentin just said. Okay. All right. So, all right, and we're going to end up with 2 times 4 plus 5. Okay, and then we're going to go through this. We can work this real fast. So this is 8 plus 5, 13. G of 13. Okay, now go through. We're going to work G with the number 13. Sorry about the focus tonight. I'm using a different app for the video. So here we go. Boom, boom, that goes there, that goes there. All right, so we're going to plug in. Here we go. This is going to be 3 times 13 plus 2. This is 30, 39. Plus 2, this is 41. Boom. So our g of f of 2 is 41. Okay. All right. Same thing down here, and I apologize. I missed the circle last night. I didn't see that one. Just skipped over it. But this is going to be the same thing. These are just the same sort of thing written in different ways, and we just need to be able to recognize it. When we see that circle, we can rewrite this and say g of h of n. Okay, keep in mind n is the filler in this case, just like 2 was the filler up there. Okay, so we can rewrite it just like this, and let's go through and power this out real fast. I love how I wrote h and it should be f. My bad. Sorry, that should be f. Okay, all right, so this is going to be g of 2n. Okay. And n is going to replace n, so I really don't need to do anything here. All right, but now keep in mind, 2n is going to be our filler for g. So g, here we go. I have negative n minus 4, and I'm going to use that 2n and plug it in. So negative 2n minus 4, okay? And we can just simplify this real fast. Negative 2n minus 4. Okay. Whatever's in place right there, whatever's inside, is going to be our filler on the function itself. I'm sorry, that was inside. Whatever's inside is going to be our filler on whatever it is right there. Okay. All right. Let's go through one more here real fast just to give people a view. I'm going to do number 14. Don't worry about this. I'm going to do number 14 from tonight's, if you guys want to look along. All right, so this is going to be h. H of n equals 3n minus 1. And g of n equals 4n minus 2. Okay? All right, here we go. So, and they're asking us right now, h circle g of 4 plus n. Okay, so we got a lot going on right there, but all we're worried about right now is just this 0 and this h and g. So let's rewrite this. So we got h of g of 4 plus n. Okay, so now we know a little bit more about what's going on. That h is just hanging out. Let's take care of that g first. So, and we can rewrite this h 4n minus 2, and that 4 plus n is going to replace the n. 4 plus n is whatever's inside is replacing the variable of whatever it is. So in this case, it's the n, and we're going to replace it with 4 plus n. h 4 times 4 plus n minus 2. And I've colored markers or pens so we can see the color difference next time. So, all right, here we go. So let's go through. We can simplify what's inside. Then we're going to work it with h. So this is h of this whole thing, but let's simplify this. So we got 16 plus 4n minus 2. This is 14 plus 4n. h. Okay. And we can move the 4n up front, but right now we're not even done yet, so I'm not even worried about it. Okay? All right. So this is going to replace whatever that n value is on the original, okay? So whatever the n value is, that's where it's going in. This whole thing is going in place. If there was more, we would put it all in there. Okay? So here we go. We're going to go h. This is 3n. And what I used to do back in high school was I got this part, now let's work it again. And so I would rewrite it and go 3n minus 1. So this is just another view of the same thing. And now I'm working my equal sign from over here. So this is 3 times 14 plus 4n minus 1. Okay? 30, this is 42. And then plus 12n minus 1. 41 plus 12n, let's put it in the appropriate form. 12n plus 41. All right. So there's that. Y'all have a great night and easy day, and just more of the same today. Should be an easy day for everybody. We're going to work into something new on tomorrow. All right. Have a great day.